Hey guys, we're here with Scott from Schletter today, and we're going to have a quick chat about what's going on in the industry. Scott, I'll start off by asking, is there any particular conversations that have been leading around racking at the moment?
Thanks, Stacey. Thanks for having me. With Schletter now, we're starting to make some really good inroads with the product. We've been here for so long now that 2011, people are starting to realise the advantages of the product. One of them being profile, being able to move it around quite easily because the pack sizes and alike compared to 200 lengths of ours to a 90 pack. It makes it very easy for large commercial installations to get the product where it needs to go. So small things make big differences.
And then what about in the residential space? I mean, is there anything that you're seeing from installers that just hands down is Schletter all the way?
Seeing the advantages of how quick it is to install, which is a huge thing because time is money. So the quicker they're on the roof, off the roof I should say, they're either onto the next job or to complete the installation. So as far as product-wise, commercially and residentially, it's the same product. All Schletter's products come fully assembled. So that way the claws on it, the brackets on top of the particular off-sheet products. A lot of people are starting to realise the versatility of a lot of our off-purlin solutions. Most companies talk about on-purlin, but we do both. We do an on and off-purlin solution for commercial installations and get the best value for the product and time frame for the system, which may mean go back to the installer and say, if you do it this way, it's quicker, it's cheaper. Who wouldn't want that? So
yeah, well, the items that are already coming in, they're pre-built.
Right.
Now, I've spoken to a few installers about that who may use other brands, and it's always, I've got so many spares here, I've got so many spares there.
Yep.
I mean, how has Schletter reduced that and changed that?
Everything's fully assembled, so out of the box, straight down to the roof. And again, we go back to that time frame scenario where other products aren't assembled. Packaging as well, it doesn't come any plastics or anything like that. So as far as environmental side of things, we've got that covered. Some building sites, that's probably one of the first things they've got to tick about the environmental impact. We all have those certificates that we can provide as well. Again, going back to the difference between everybody else and Schletter is less SKUs, less parts, less floor space from a warehouse perspective, which is appreciated by the storeman. But that translates through to vans, businesses, and keeping minimum amount of SKUs. This pretty much is the full range of commercial and residential products from Schletter, so it covers both.
Yeah. We've obviously been working together now for a long time, AC Solar Warehouse, Schletter. What are some of the positives that you find working with AC Solar Warehouse and Schletter as a partnership?
Well, as you know, we came in and train your team, and as far as the conversations are concerned with your customer, that's basically a through from us to you to them. We will train those guys as well, but working with the team for such a long period of time, sometimes you don't need to call on us anymore. You're up to speed now, you're up to speed with our tools, and as you are aware, the easier it is for your staff to talk to customers, the easier it is to come back.
100%, that's great. Thanks very much for your
Appreciate
time,
the
Scott.
time.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.